Local rice or palm oil rice has a not so subtle way of stealing the hearts of everyone who eats it. And today we're going to find out why and how. Hey, beautiful people, and you are very welcome back to the Culinary Cooks YouTube channel.
Let's go.
As always, the full recipe is down in the description box. So if you're the one to, be really specific with your measurements and all, that check that description box. It's there for you, okay? So here I'm just prepping my ingredients, my onions, my peppers, my tomatoes, my spring onions or scallions, and my ejagbigbe or stockfish. So what I did with this, I only used half of this. I rinsed it out really well and then I broke it into little bits that are like bite-sized so you could taste, so you have it, you have it dispersed in the palm oil rice. So here I'm just rinsing it. Then after rinsing it, I just broke it. Once you put water, it gets a bit softer. So you just break it. I just broke it with my hands, remove the bones, and it was ready. Next is iru or locust beans. Same thing. I just rinsed it. I did not rinse it too much because you actually really do not want to. You don't want to lose that white part. You don't want to use a lot of that white part. So I recommend you not to rinse it too much, just to remove the surface dirt on it, but not that white part. That white part is flavor. Question: do you wash your rice with salt or you don't? Here I'm just washing it. Please let me know down in the comments if you wash your rice with salt or you just use regular water. Here we're going to be heating up our palm oil. Then I added in the onion. I stirred it. After a few seconds, I added in the minced garlic, then ginger. Between these three, I usually like to add ginger last because it burns really quickly. Next, we're going to be adding in our iru. I believe that there are four flavor profiles that build up the most indigenous tasting local rice. For crayfish, iru, stockfish, and palm oil. With these four, you can create a masterpiece of a local rice. And I'd really, really recommend them. They are really, really important if you want to, if you want to achieve that really local, that really thick taste that that just takes you way back and makes you feel as if you're in the village eating this out of a leaf. Okay, so here I'm just adding in some more palm oil. I added in a pepper mix, just a regular pepper water, pepper, tomato and onion blend. Then here I let it cook for a little bit and then I adjusted my seasonings. Don't worry, everything, all the ingredients is going to be down. All the full recipe is going to be down in the description box so you do not miss anything. So here I'm just stirring in the rice. I like to toast it just a little bit before I add in my stockfish. So you just add in the stockfish, then you add in the water till it just covers it and you let it cook till it's done. Okay, and when it's done, I just fluff it up a bit. Please do not forget to let it burn just a tiny little bit to just give it a smoky flavor. Then I added in the scallions we cut earlier. I stirred it up really well, and baby girl was ready to be served. Of course, you can garnish this with vegetables like scent leaves. You can garnish this with ugwu leaves. You can garnish this with more protein, but this is just the basis. You can do as much or as little as you want from here. So yeah, that is all, guys. Palm oil rice made very, very easy. Please let me know what more you want to see on this channel. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.